Hello, let's take a look at one of the latest emerging supplements. That would be menthol to help improve heat tolerance. So, what are we looking at here? Menthol, which is found in things like peppermint, mint, and peppermint, can be used as a mouthwash or mouthwash solution, or you can find it in little sweets that can be ingested. And it triggers a receptor in your mouth called the TRPMA receptor that sends a signal to your brain that's cold based. It tells your brain that everything is cold. Now, in a hot environment, that's sending to your brain a confused signal here that hey, it's actually not as hot as the environment may well be. And this can have some improvement in thermal comfort or heat tolerance, which may be able to allow you to lower your breathing and your perceived exertion in the heat. So there is some emerging evidence that performance can be improved over a 20 to 70 minute kind of range when using menthol in the heat. So it's a maybe. It might be worth a try on a hot day to see if you like to take a mint, something like these Halls menthol mints, and just see if that makes you feel a little better and your performance improved a little bit during very, very hot competitions. In the cold, this is absolutely not necessary.